In this video, I will show you how exactly you can create a demo account or real account for Metatrader 5. So first of all, you need to go to the description of the video here and you will see the highly recommended broker. Original link is the ecmarkets.com and the link is verified. So you simply need to click on it and it will open the EC Market broker where I will register my account and then I will create a demo and real account and show you exactly every step. So first of all, I need to select here my email ID and email verification code will be sent to my email. The password I will use a recommended password at this time from Pakistan and my mobile number. And then I will simply click on the get email verification code. I will go here and open my email and it's 77287. Here I will say 77287 and then simply register. I need to copy my code because I'm using a complex password. I may need to use this password at the time of login. Accept it and then click on the register. And the same process is for the mobile user as well. The registration is completed. Open real trading account? No. I need to open a demo account and after that I will open a real account. So at the moment I can simply select skip. That's it. So here my account registration with the EC Market is completed. So why I created this account with the EC Market? Because EC Market is a broker and the Metatrader 5 is just an application or software that will be used to open and manage any trade. That is just a software, not a trading providing company. We need a broker where we can open a trading account, we can deposit, withdraw, make profits and everything. I choose EC Market because EC Market is well reputed. So once you reached here, the next step is to complete the KYC. You have to click on the KYC. You need to put your all the information on your ID card and for example I write here my name, and once you put the information you will have two options. You can proceed with the ID card or you can proceed with the passport, driving license or any other. At the moment I will proceed with the simple process is the ID card process. I will say confirm and in the next process I have to put my this information. Employment status I will say self-employed. Annual income I will say 0 to 25,000. What is your experience trading level? I will say more than 2 years. No matter if you are an experienced trader or a new trader, you have to set this more than 2 years. Okay, so what is your source of funding? You need to set inheritance and savings. Okay, it's much better at the moment. Are you a US citizen? No, I'm not. I will select next and here you need to upload your front of your ID card and here the back of ID card, and from here you have to select your country, from which country you are. Once you put all this information, simply click on the confirm button and the KYC process will be completed. If you face any problem with the KYC process, you can simply contact our team on the TradingBotLab. We will do our best to get resolve your any problem while KYC process. So once the process is completed, you have to go to the accounts from here, and from here you can see the real account, copy trading account and the demo account. I will simply click on the demo account. Here add new account, it will ask me to open MT4 or MT5. I will select MT5 and here are two options, if it should be a standard account or ECN account. Now I can test my strategy for a standard account and ECN account. I will simply select the standard account and simply I will select next, and here I have to set the password of my this trading account. This should be not the same as the password. This is the password of this trading account. This is not a password of your EC Market. EC Market account is your account with the broker where you can manage your deposit, withdrawals, creating account, managing account, everything related to finance. But in the MT5 account you will be doing actual trading, what to buy, what to sell. So I will here select a password. So here I write the password. It says at least one uppercase, at least one number and at least one special character. I will add some number and then I will add some special character and at least one capital. Now all are green and that's it. I will simply copy this one and then here paste this one. So it will create standard demo account with the EC Market. So it will automatically refresh the page. Don't save at the time. Here is my account number and here is the account type and here is the server EC Market MT5 demo and it is with the EC Markets Ltd. You have to remember exactly this line, okay? And definitely you must save these three information. At the moment, our demo account for Metatrader 5 is created. Now let's log into the Metatrader 5. If you don't know how to install Metatrader 5 in your PC, you can simply watch this video and follow the steps. So at the moment, I already installed my Metatrader 5. So from here, view, and then click on the navigator. You will see Metatrader 5 accounts on the top. It may be like this or maybe like this. You simply need to right click on it and then open an account. We already have created the account, and here I will search for the broker EC Markets. It may take few seconds to few minutes based on the connection speed of your internet, and from here I need to select EC Market Ltd because our account is with this server, not limited, not financial limited. We have with EC Market Ltd limited. I will simply click next, and then I will click on this. Open a real account? No, I will click on this. And which server should be selected here? I need to go to my account, and from here EC Market MT5 and demo. That's it. Here password I already copy paste, and then for login I will go to my account. I will copy this one number and then I will paste into the MT5 and simply finish. If you see this section, the trade history and the balance is 0, this means we successfully logged in our demo account. But in the demo account, we have 0 balance. So let's deposit some demo funds in it. From here, add margin. Simply, I need to click add margin. From this balance, I have multiple options. I will select 1,000 because I want to test my strategy for the $1,000. I will confirm it and it may take few seconds. Yes, the funds are added. Here you can see, and here in the Metatrader 5, yes, we just deposit $1,000. Here in the history, the $1,000 is deposited. Now I can open any trade on any pair. To open a trade, I will simply go to the view from the market watch and I will select gold. I will go here from on the top. This is the one-click trading. You can simply turn it on and right click on it, and here is the one-click trading. And from here I have to select the lot size, the size, how much trade I want to open. At the moment 0.01. I need to open a buy trade. It will ask for some disclaimers and one-click trading, and I just simply accept these terms and conditions, and again I will select buy. To set the TP, I will simply drag upside the TP, downside the SL. You can see here the SL, the TP. For the sell trade, it will be opposite. Okay, these both trades are at the same point. So from here I can close any trade. I want to close this buy trade. I will simply let it make some profit for me, and I will close one side. So okay, so here I just booked 63 cents in profit and my buy trade is going in loss. If you want to create a real account, the same steps, but you have to select real account. Here in the account section, you need to select real and then continue. Okay, so you have to complete the KYC process to create a real account. To create a real account, the process and steps are exactly same as creating a demo account. I hope you understand exactly how to open a demo account, and definitely you will be able to open a real account by using the same steps. If still you face any problem, so you can contact on our website, our support team, and we will do our best to guide you step by step. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.